Good morning or afternoon or evening or whenever you're watching this video, everybody. So I'm going to real quick explain through the water unit final project that you guys will be working on for basically this whole week. So you can find it in this folder, water unit final project in week 5. And you got these, there's a whole bunch of documents in here. So what you are going to do is kind of work through them one at a time. So let me show you this. This is the main document instruction sheet. So it says, as an expert on water use, you, in groups of 1 to 3 students, for you guys it's going to be groups of 1 since you're online, you've been hired by a country to develop a project about a freshwater crisis that is actually happening. In a 3 to 5 minute long recorded slide presentation, you need to explain the freshwater crisis occurring in that nation, what impacts that crisis has had on the country, and possible solutions that can be used to solve the crisis. So down here, you're going to write what water crisis you chose. I'm going to give you some options. And then down here, you're going to be doing some research and stuff like this. These stop signs, these are for my in-person students. You guys can skip those. So you're going to be reading through these, and it's going to literally tell you what I'm looking for on each and every slide. So slide 1, project title, map of the country, country flag, blah, blah, blah. Slide 2 is more background information. Slide 3, you're going to start working into the water issue stuff. So you'll be going through this, and it'll tell you exactly what to put on all 9 slides. And down here's a real quick rubric you can look at. If we go back to that main folder, here is a research document. So this is a place that you can kind of collect all the information that you learned about your chosen issue. It will load. There we go. So here's a place for background information on your country, the water issue, the impacts of the water crisis, and some possible solutions. Next, here, this third thing in this folder is the water crisis case studies. This is where you're going to be able to find the 5 different water crises you can do. So you got Kenya, you got India, Honduras, Ethiopia, and Bangladesh. For each of these, if you open up one of them, it's going to be a little bit of a reading for you to do about the specific water issue that that country is having. So here's one for Ethiopia, for example. They're dealing with droughts, and it goes into the impacts that's having and stuff like that. So each of those 5 countries has a different type of impact. So choose one of those, give it a good read. Then you are going to have to think about what some possible solutions to their issue is. So you can either look at the slides that we talked about last week, or you could look at the top 19 possible water solutions. This link here, this will give you some ideas. Right here, I have more resources for you. I strongly suggest you look at this one. Find your country, and I found some real helpful like videos and articles and stuff that will give you a lot of information to go on. Let's see, what's next? Solution sheet. This is where you can start outlining what solutions you would like to include for your thing. So solution 1, explain how it works, explain why you think it's a good fit for your country, all of that stuff. And you're going to be coming up with 3 different solutions. Next we have how to screen record on your computer with audio. If you don't know how to make a recorded video presentation, please give that one a watch. And this Espanola Water Project, that's for any students of mine that struggle with English and would like a Spanish version. So if that's you, feel free to look at it. So that is what you are going to be working on for the next, at least through the end of this week. So work on getting it done. Again, read through the water unit final project instruction sheet real carefully. And yeah, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks.